Welcome children. Today I will explain how to write a good composition. The word composition comes from the Latin word componere, meaning put together. A composition is the way a writer assembles words and sentences to create a coherent and meaningful work. It is a written expression of a specific idea and then supported with the facts, statements, analysis, and explanations. The four main stages of composition writing are: think about the subject and set down on paper all the facts or ideas that occur to you. Secondly, arrange these facts in small units and then construct an outline for the composition. Then, write the composition. After that, revise what you have written. The main characteristics of a good composition are: number 1, unity. That is, developing one theme with a definite purpose. Number 2, order. The composition should follow a certain ordered line of thought and come to a definite conclusion. Number 3, brevity. It should not be too long, must follow the number of words given in the question. Number 4, style. The style must be dignified and literary. Number 5, personal touch. A composition should reveal the personal feelings and opinions of the writer. Now let's see the structure of a composition. The first part is the introduction. The composition should have an introductory paragraph in which you demonstrate that the topic is understood and outline key points of the topic. The second part is the body. It is the main part of the composition. Here, you have to develop the topic using paragraphs, each paragraph dealing with one distinct aspect of the subject. Narration of the topic must be according to the order of importance, either starting from the least powerful point to the most compelling one, or starting with the strongest point first for impact and then reinforcing it with other points. It should be from broad to specific. Must be in chronological order if it is a composition based on history. A discussion comparing two different things might be based on a particular criteria. And the last part is the conclusion. The conclusion should appear to be a logical development of the topic. The last sentence should have a rhythmic effect so as to produce a strong feeling that the topic has finally come to a satisfactory natural end. Classification of composition. Compositions may be classified as reflective compositions, narrative compositions, descriptive compositions, expository or explanatory compositions, imaginative compositions, argumentative compositions, and picture compositions. Reflective composition consists of reflections or thoughts on some topic which is generally of an abstract nature. Example, patriotism, poverty, caste system, etc. Second one is narrative composition. It consists mainly in the narration of some event or series of events. Example, an accident, a marriage ceremony, etc. Next is descriptive composition. It consists of a description of some place or thing like the Taj Mahal, motor car, and so on. Next is expository or explanatory compositions. It consists of an explanation of some subject like farming, evolution of man, and so on. Next, imaginative composition. It includes subjects like the feelings and experiences of a sailor, pilot, or autobiography of a pencil or a horse. Next, argumentative compositions. An argumentative composition uses evidences and facts to prove whether or not a thesis is true. Example, should schools reopen by September 1st week? Next is a picture composition. It involves writing composition on a given picture. When you write a composition, remember the following things. Read and understand the topic properly. Secondly, choose a topic which gives you the opportunity to write a complete and interesting composition. A subject which interests you and can show originality. Choose a topic on which you think you have enough matter to write and on which you can give personal details. Answer all parts of the question. Make sure that your answer is relevant. Be polite in your language. Your composition must be long enough. Use simple English and write legibly. That is, handwriting must be good.